148 Main Street, Ferryville, Wisconsin. If you've ever wanted to own a home with a story, this one is truly special. Overlooking the Mississippi River, this charming three-story home was once the residence of the Lucey family and the childhood home of former Wisconsin Governor Patrick Lucey. From the moment you walk in, you'll notice the character. Beautiful original woodwork, timeless details, and spaces filled with natural light. With 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, there's plenty of room to live, work, and relax. Start your mornings in the sunroom, unwind in the evenings, or make the most of the dedicated office space. The walkout lower level has its own private entrance, giving you flexibility for guests or extra living space. You'll also find charming touches throughout, like a clawfoot tub and tiled shower, along with a kitchen featuring durable solid surface finishes. With incredible river views and a unique history, this home offers something you don't come across every day.